steadily. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Holding steady, moving ahead 10
Movement on
meters.
platform 4. Watch the laser grid.
Acknowledged. Moving slowly, alignment checks active.
All right, men, easy now. Lower, lower. Watch the starboard side. Steady. That section needs to come left. Bring it down 20 centimeters. Steady now.
Alignment check complete on section 3.
Readings confirmed accurate. Proceed with marking.
Locking in place.
Next beam coming through.
Moving forward, keep the laser steady.
Holding steady. Alignment looks good so far. Clear the supports.
Tension is holding steady.
Lifting now. Watch the rotation.
Easy now.
Centering shaft.
Locked in. Confirmed.
Engaged on my side. Secure the starboard mount.
Check the pressure. All clear.
All right, rotate the valve slowly. It's locked in position. Pressure check complete. Make sure that connection is tight. Okay.
It's secure. Moving to the next unit.
Torque set on the main valve. Check the pressure sensor readout.
Pressure stabilizing. Sensors just activated. We're online. Right there. Looks good. Engaging tensioners now. Beam is secured. Starboard side. Easy, easy, hold it there. Secured. right there. Steady now. All right, lower away. Hold it. Little to the right. All right, set it down. Looks good.
Helm console aligned.
Engineering systems online. Power levels nominal.
Radar sweep initiated. Sonar active.